I just wanted to make a quick video showing the difference between the 6.5 horsepower Harbor Freight Predator engine with the performance kit from Go Power Sports versus that same engine without the kit. So when I was purchasing my kit, I never saw any videos of them racing head to head to show how much better the kit was, so I figured I'd make a quick video and show that. So here is the engine with the kit. You see there's the air filter. There's the exhaust pipe. We opted for the straight exhaust pipe because it better fit our cart, but they have a couple different ones. And then the carburetor has the jet that's included in the kit. And then here is the motor, 6.5 horsepower, right out of the box, no changes made to it. So we're going to do a drag race between the two carts, and hopefully you'll have a better idea of the performance difference, and it'll help you make a decision whether or not you want to buy the performance kit. So for the race, I'm going to be driving the cart with the performance kit, and I'll be in the orange helmet. So we'll cut to that video right now. Alright, so there's the two drag races. We both hit the gas at the same time, and as you can see, the cart with the performance kit pulled away quite a bit. The stretch of road we used was about 250 to 300 feet, so not super long, but enough to give you an idea of the difference that the kit can make on your engine. Not that my opinion really means a whole lot, but I would definitely recommend the kit. We will probably be getting another kit for the other cart pretty soon. When I bought my kit last year, it was under $100 from Go Power Sports. I want to say it was like $81 plus shipping. I'm not sure if that went up or not, but I guess we'll find out in a couple weeks. On a side note, it also sounds really good. Not sure if you can hear it in the video, but I'll definitely make a separate video and post that later this week on just the exhaust and the difference in sound. I hope this video was helpful and useful to anyone considering purchasing the kit. I'll put the name of it in the description. Again, it's the Stage 1 Predator Performance Kit. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.